Want to know the secret to flawless makeup application? It begins with your skin. I'm Micaela, and you're watching IPSY Beauty 101. On this episode, we're going to be talking about each skin type and each cleanser that is best for each skin type. It's important to know your skin type to know which products are right for you and which to avoid. Not knowing your skin type can lead to tons more problems. The majority of people will fall under oily, dry, sensitive, combination, or normal. To identify your skin type, pay attention to your T-zone area and your cheeks. Oily skin types will most likely find oil all over the face, but mostly in the T-zone and cheek area. The goal here is to control the oil. To balance your skin, you're going to want to use a gel cleanser, a clay cleanser, or a foam cleanser. This is the CRÈME Shop 2-in-1 Facial Foam Cleanser. This is actually good for all skin types, and it's a double foam cleanser, so that the first time you use it, it's gonna remove all of your makeup, and then the second time, it's gonna exfoliate for a deeper cleanse. Gel cleansers are great for clogged pores, removing oil, and killing bacteria, thanks to their antiseptic and exfoliating properties. This ODACITE Black Mint Cleanser is gonna be good for oily, combination, or acne-prone skin. It's actually a gel-to-foam cleanser that's gonna really deep clean your skin. Known for their absorbing power, clay cleansers are gonna just draw out all of the oil and toxins out of your skin, just like this Bare Minerals clay cleanser right here. If you have patchy, flaky, or tight skin in your T-zone or cheeks, then you may have dry skin. People with dry skin may have smaller pores actually, but you may have more redness or visible lines and wrinkles. Your goal here is to nourish, moisturize, and protect your skin. Oil and cream cleansers are perfect for dry skin because they won't strip away your moisture or oils. Cream cleansers are usually thick, moisturizing, and creamy, kind of like a lotion. This Origins Pure Cream Cleanser is going to be great for dry skin because it's going to gently wipe away your makeup without stripping your skin. Oils are going to have a little bit more of a liquidy consistency, just like this TATCHA oil cleanser right here. This is going to be great for dry skin, and it's also a double cleanser, so you can wash once to take off your makeup and then wash again to really clean your skin. If you have a combination skin type, you may have an oily T-zone, but then dry everywhere else, like your cheeks or forehead. You may have larger pores and experience more blemishes. But you need to find your balance with this one. The best cleansers for combination skin are actually gonna be a foam cleanser. Foam cleansers are lightweight, and they can start out as a cream or gel and then turn into a foam. So these cleansers are gonna really help rebalance your skin, just like this Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser. Normal skin is skin goals. We all want to have normal skin, but unfortunately not all of us have it. If you do have normal skin though, the goal is to maintain it. If you have normal skin, your T-zone and cheeks will be neither dry or oily. It'll be somewhere in the middle. You'll have an even complexion, barely visible pores, and you could pretty much get away with using any product. The goal here is to maintain the moisture and hydration just so that we keep our normal skin normal. Look for a simple or mild cleanser that doesn't have too much exfoliant or too much moisturization, just like this Origins Cream to Oil Cleanser. So regardless of your skin type, you still need to know if you have sensitive skin. And if you do have sensitive skin, you may experience irritation, burning, redness, or just any bad reaction to a product. But if you do have sensitive skin, it's really important to patch test a product on your inner arm before you try it on your face. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to try this Origins Micellar Cleanser. This is actually really cool because it's a no soap cleanser. So you can actually just put it on a cotton round and then wipe your face down, and it's going to give you a really gentle cleanse. You could also try this CRÈME Shop 2-in-1 Facial Foam Cleanser. This is also going to be really gentle, so if you have sensitive skin, this will probably work really well for you. You could visit a dermatologist to figure out your skin type, but if you want, you can do this super easy at-home test. All you need to do is wash your face with a normal cleanser, something not too oily and not too harsh, and then don't apply moisturizer, just wait around for a couple hours to see what your skin does. Check your cheeks and your T-zone. If it's oily, you may have oily skin. If it's tight, you may have dry skin. And then once again, if you have a mix of it, you may have combination. Do that little test and then see what happens, and then you can find the skincare that works just for you. The goal is to have normal skin. Keep in mind that there are environmental factors that come into play here, like your diet, your environment, pollution, all of that stuff can change your skin type. So you do want to adapt with your skin because your skin can change with you. So be aware that your skin changes, so you need to keep up with your skin. All of these cleansers could help you if you know what your skin type is, so hopefully from this, you got it. I'm Micaela. Thank you guys for watching IPSY Beauty 101.